So here we are, guys. Wait. So here we are, guys. Activity 3. The basic transformation, translation, rotation, scaling of Valorant. First, the introduction. Brief overview of a Valorant as a tactical first-person shooter. This one. This is a first-person shooter. Next, importance of understanding the basic transformations in gameplay. And the translation is uh, movement of agent across the map. Yeah, like this one, the movement of the agent or the first-person shooter. Uh, uh, impact on gameplay, strategic positioning, rotation and flanking maneuvers, map control, and site defense and offense. Like that. Okay. Next, rotation. Rotation. Changing direction or facing the enemy. Like this one on my screen. Changing direction or facing the enemy. Yeah. The impact in the gameplay is adjusting sight lines, reacting to enemy movements, like when they move. Wait. Mm, like this. When they move, how can you react with that? How can you shoot? And coordinated team rotation for tactical advantage. You need to coordinate the team. Example, when I'm playing like that, I'm playing a real game, and I'm using mic to coordinate for team, so we can have meron kaming strategy to play how can we go to site or how we can defense the site. That's now the next is scaling, adjusting scale or scope, like this. When you look at the example, is- uh, is- like this, the operator, how adjusting scale or scope and impact in gameplay, weapon accuracy at different distances, height height advantage, elevation and change, and importance in picking and engagement dynamics. Like this, when you pick, then pag pumik yung kalaban, you can easy kill him, the enemy, like that. Also, application in strategies. Example of how each transformation is utilized in gameplay. Defensive strategies. Example, holding angles, rotating between bomb sites, like that. Or offensive strategies, executing side pushes, faking rotation, tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina. Ganon. Individual players, roles, and responsibilities. Dun sa individual players, roles, and responsibilities. Like this, I'm using Jet,
Watch this!
the duelist. Then, the other is Smoke.
Cover going
Yan.
out.
Meron pa yung iba may need. Yan. Like this Reese.
Grenade!
Also, the Initiator Breach. He can stun an enemy. Like that.
Concussing.
Yan. Next is transformation for complex movements of Valorant. Number one is advanced movement techniques. Strafing. Utilizing side-to-side movement to dodge an enemy fire while maintaining accuracy. Like this one. The, this one I'm doing in my screen is strafing. So, the parang mag-straight ka so the enemy can shoot you less ganun. Next is bunny hopping, sequentially jumping to maintain momentum and speed useful for traversing distance quickly. Parang ganito yung kay Neon pag gumamit nito.
Go, go,
You
go!
can like that. Bunny hopping, jumping through. Yan.
Running low.
Like that.
Gotta go! Here we go!
Yan. That's bunny hopping. Then next is wall jumping, using map structures to gain high or change direction rapidly.
Gotta go!
Parang ganito. Parang ganyan. Yan. Tatalong ka sa wall. Pagtalon mo sa wall ng ganito. Yan. Wait. Or using race to jump on the wall
Satchel out.
using skill
Satchel out.
like this.
Satchel out. Satchel out.
Yeah. Jump on the wall to using change direction. Yeah. Next is positioning adjustment. Jiggle peeking. Rapidly peeking around corners or gather information or bait enemy shots. Ganito siya. Turo ko. Yan. When you jiggle peeking, when you saw some enemy there, you just like this. Use some AD key. Yeah. Or jump peek like that. Yeah. Jut is jiggle peeking. Also can jump peek. Jump peeking. So you can saw enemy or dodge the enemy shots. Yeah. Like that. Next is crouch peeking, adjusting height to make headshot more difficult for opponents. Like when someone is shooting you, then use some crouch, like parang nakaupo siya, ganun. So, maliles mo yung pagka-headshot sa'yo ng enemy. Ganun. Next is team coordination. Trading sequentially. So next is team coordination. Trading sequentially, engaging enemies to ensure teammates are ready to take over if one falls. Like when you wanna kill someone, then the enemy killed you, then the other teammate will trade you fast so he can kill the enemy like that. Also, crossfire, when your team is there, then like this. When your team is there and the
There.
spikes there, pwede mag-push dito tapos nandito yung
There.
kalaban mo. So, pag nag-push yung kalaban, pareho kaming babaril dito sa magpupush na kalaban. Then that's what you call crossfire. Next is map specific movements, like boosting, using teammates or map elements to gain high advantage. Yan. Navigation of the kills, efficiently moving around or over map features, maintain momentum and surprise opponents. Ayan. Role specific techniques. Entry fragging. Ayan. Like this one. When you have this,
Satchel out. Satchel out.
you can entry frag with the abilities of the, kunwari ito yung sight.
There.
You can fast or jet maybe. We can use jet. Maybe we can entry fast with ability of the dash like that, so we can kill or we can get to sight fast, mas mabilis ganun. Or
Blocking
using
sight.
smoke, then easy kill on the enemy. Then support movements, providing cover fire or utility support while moving with the team. Yeah, that's yun yung sinasabi ko na kunwari nagdash ako. Then someone
Blocking
smoke me.
sight.
That's what you call providing cover fire or utility support. kaya may pumasok na teammate ko or na-trap,
Blocking
pwede ko
sight.
i-smoke so hindi siya ma-shoot ng kalaban. Ganun. Game sense and prediction. Number one is pre-firing, anticipating enemy position and preparing preemptively. And decoy movements, misleading opponents with fake movements to create openings. Like this one. Kunwari may team dyan. Nakaplant yung bomba
Here.
dito. Sabi mo lang, nakaplant yung bomb dyan. Tapos magde-defuse siya. You're gonna create sound like this. Sound that you are picking. So, he will stop the defuse and will pick you on the main
Here.
here. Yan. Creating faking. Yan. Misleading fake movements. Yan. Fake movements. Or jump pick like that. So, you can see if he's defusing or not. Yan. Yan.
Hey, the gang's all here. This is great. They don't stand a chance. My ult's ready. I got the spike.
Next is a map control perspective management. This is from advanced transformation perspective of a Valorant. Number one is map control of perspective management. Angles and slightness. Understanding the control key angles on the map to gain advantage and engagements. Yan. Understanding the control key of the map to gain advantage. Yan. And next is high ground advantage utilizing an elevated position to control and influence areas of the map, improving visibility and firing angles. Ganun. And number two is dynamic map awareness. Rotational awareness, predicting the reacting of enemy rotation to maintain the control over objectives and strategies position. Kunwari ganito. Kunwari pushing kayo ng B. Andito yung bomba, pero yung teammate ko nasa A.
Here.
Like that. So when you heard the footsteps rotating, that's the advantage of you can plant on the site where you can dash in and plant the bomb here.
Spike
Like
dropped.
that. Also, the flank defense and offense, monitoring and utilizing flanking routes to surprise opponents and defend against flanking maneuvers. Yun naman is, kunwari, nandun lahat ng teammate ko.
Here.
Yan, nandun din yung bomb. So, magpaparinig sila doon ng firing o kaya makikipaglaban sila doon, makipagputukan. Then, someone will push here to flank. Then, I'm also flanked. So, I can kill someone here that is running. Someone is running here. Or I can go here when I heard enemy is rotating to other side. So, I can flank them before they know me na nagpa-flank. Yun. Number three is utility and tactical integration. Utility management using agent abilities and strategically to alter the flow of engagement and control of map areas. Yun. Yung gagamit ka ng mga strat, kunwari, yung mga initiator, like initiator o kaya
Blocking
ito.
sight. Blocking
Lagyan mo-
sight.
Yan, that strat para hindi mo makita yung
Blocking sight.
enemy. O kaya dito, strategy to. You can smoke here and dash here. Then you get the sight. Ganon. Then tactical coordination, timing,
I got the
utility
spike.
usage, and coordinated pushes create favorable situation, gain map control. Using the smoke here,
Here.
di ko kasi mapakita dahil hindi kami 5 man eh. So maybe the smoker can smoke here
Blocking sight.
like that. So
Blocking sight.
we can go in the site like that, or using some enemies, some my teammates of ability to go inside here. Yan. Next is team play and communication. Information warfare, sharing and processing information about enemy's position and movements in informed strategic decision. Yun yung sabi ko. Kunwari, ako yung nag-flank. Ganon. Ngayon, magmamic ako para sabihin sa kanila na nagro-rotate na yun nandito sa B. Pwede na kayo mag-rotate ulit dito para makawan namin agad yung site, ganun. Then, rotations calls efficiently communicating, executing rotations to support teammates and adjust strategy dynamically. Ganun. Parang ganun lang din yung information. Ah, communicate to rotate para mag-rotate sila. Ganun. Role specific strategies. Ayan. Entry fragger leading the team in aggressive pushes to gain initial map control and create opportunities for teammate. Katulad ko, ako, ayan. Ayan, entry fragger ako kasi I'm a duelist. My role is to entry
Blocking
the
sight.
site and look for the enemies and kill one. Ganon. And support and flex roles adapting playstyle and strategies based on the team needs and opponent tendencies. Like yun, sabi ko nga yung smoke, kailangan may
Blocking
smoke.
sight. Blocking
Yan.
sight.
Kailangan meron kang kasama may smoke, support o kaya naluka, ganun. Eh, meron kayong kasamang Sage. Sage is a healer, so pwede ka niya i-heal while you're here na planting, ganun. Next is adaptation and decision making. Mid-round adjustments, evaluating adapting strategies based on opponent's movements and round developments. Economic management, making informed decision about resources allocation. Example, weapon purchase, utility usage to maximize your round winning potential. Ganun. Kumbaga, gagamitin mo ng maayos lahat ng lahat ng abilities mo. Yun, o kaya sa pagbili ng mga baril, kunwari round 1. Sa round 1, kailangan pistol. Pag nanalo kayo, you can buy something around 3-2 pesos like this one, and after that, if nanalo ulit kayo sa round 2, you can upgrade your here your your gun into Vandal or Phantom, the guns here. Or maybe Operator, you can use Operator when you have enough money. Yun lang.